think we were able to kind of dodge the rain most of the day yesterday. I don't know that we're going to be so lucky later today, Kelly.
Yeah, things change up again. We did see a good dry patch of time into yesterday evening, a good dry patch now too. So get things done this morning through the early afternoon. That's when things turn a little rainy here. We'll start to see some showers spreading by the afternoon and a soggy evening on tap. So keep that in mind if you do have some outdoor plans today. The morning is the time to be outside. Mid-50s this morning, and say good morning to Snoopy here. Very cute pup. Thank you, Dave and April out of Gresham, for sharing this photo. You can always send yours in to KOIN.com/weather/petwalkforecast. If any dogs don't like the rain, again, this morning is the time to let them go outdoors. Mid-60s by the afternoon. We'll see some showers trickling in maybe around 2 to 4 p.m. Then we start to turn real soggy by nightfall. Here's a look at our satellite and radar. Nothing to track right now around the valley here. It's a dry morning, very mild too. We're mainly cloudy. Temperatures are sitting right there in the mid-50s. And out to the coast, seaside, Astoria, parts of the southwest Washington coast have seen a few showers, but these are all ahead of our next weather system rolling in. Now, we've been talking about this bomb cyclone, and that is just a fancy name for a strong storm that intensified quickly. They are fairly common across our stormier months, which includes October. So we are seeing the strong storm well offshore. The good news is that this system is offshore. So we are seeing some of those impacts staying away from Portland. We'll still see some gusty winds around the Oregon coast and some heavy rainfall, but thankfully the system didn't arrive over land, or else we'd be dealing with our next windstorm. So right now the system is looking to track towards the north. We could see some hurricane force winds over the open ocean. So ships sailing across the Pacific dealing with those stormy conditions. But for us, likely just some stronger winds that roll in towards the south coast and some heavy rain over the next 24 hours. Let's time out this rain here. Again, dry throughout the morning and throughout midday. Those showers start to approach the coast first. This real heavy rain band, a front associated with that storm, will still roll inland here. So you can see that big band of heavy rain. We'll see soggy conditions for the coast that start up maybe closer to about midday into 1 to 2 o'clock. Then that front starts to slide over into the valley. So we will see pockets of that very heavy rainfall, more widespread around Portland, up north and down the valley. Same for the Clackamas foothills. We could see nearly an inch of rain just through this evening and overnight into Friday morning. So very soggy conditions on the way, starting up again likely around 5 to 6 p.m. That system continues to shift over the mountains and to the east. We will see new snowfall out towards the central and southern portions of the Cascades. Some light snowfall for Mount Hood with this system. We'll also see some rain across portions of central and eastern Oregon too. And come Friday, we're stuck in some rain showers, even the chance for an isolated thunderstorm towards the coast, and a quick chance of a slight chance of a quick storm here in Portland too. So tomorrow could be a little unsettled as that system rolls out the door. Then we're in for some more rain. A strong front once again rolls in over the weekend. So to kick off Saturday, more snow for the mountains, rainfall here in the valley, and some of those showers could be a little heavy with the chance for thunderstorms too. So let's talk about our rain totals here. We're in for a soggy stretch of days going into tonight through Friday morning. Look at that. Through 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, we could see maybe an inch of rain. By the end of the weekend into Monday, we could total over 2 for the coast, maybe closer to 3.5 inches of rain. Again, our monthly rain total so far just over an inch. We are seeing a deficit so far, so we'll likely make that up as we head into our weekend. Here's a quick look at our 7-day forecast. So today, dry start, a soggy evening. Again, the coast will see some gusty winds today, and that rain working in closer to about midday. In Portland, that rain working in this evening. So prep to drive over wet roadways and to keep the rain going and the cooler temperatures throughout the weekend. Back to you.
All right, thanks, Kelly.